Hi there, hope you're all doing well. This week for a 3D printed miniature I chose the Gith Swordsman from Archvillain Games. He has been primed in German Panzer Grey and I started off with dark stone for all of the fabric under his armour and the base. If there are any minis you want to see painted, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also check out my Facebook page where I will have high-res images of this guy on there. I also stream on there and on Twitch on Tuesdays, Thursdays and Sundays. You can come hang out and ask any questions you want. Next up is the skin using hemp rope. Gith have a sort of yellowy green skin, so a base of hemp rope should give that effect once the wash goes on. I then add a brighter colour to the mini with Scrofulous Brown for his boot. You could go for more of a leather colour, but I wanted this to stand out amongst all of the silver that you're going to add at the end. Now I used Gory Red to do the fabric hanging from his belt. Next, I used the leather brown to do the rope around his waist. You could also use this colour to do the boots if you don't want them as bright. I now start on the highlights with the werewolf fur for all of the darker fabrics. The next highlight is necrotic flesh for all of the raised areas of the skin. Now the skin is finished, I add the hair with charred brown. Next, I dry brush with cold grey. This is a dry brush technique, but I'm leaving a lot of paint on the brush as I want it to cover a bit more than you would with a dry brush. I then started on the longest part of the mini, doing all of his armour using shining silver. While I'm waiting for the silver to fully dry, I used matte black to do his eyes. I now add some detailing to the armour to separate a bit using gemstone. This is a new metallic paint that Army Painter brought out, and it arrived the day I was painting this, so I just had to use it. But essentially it's just a coloured metallic paint. That is all the base colours finished. I now start on the washes using soft tone for everything apart from the armour. The final wash is dark tone for all of the armour and the base. And that will be it for the Gith Swordsman. He was from a set that came with a selection of Mindflayer minis, so I'm hoping to get some of them done as well eventually. I've got a fair big collection to get through, and they're somewhere in there. As always, there will be high-res images of this guy on my Instagram and Facebook page. If there are any minis you want to see painted, you can message me on Facebook or drop them in the comments below. If you have any questions or just want to hang out, I stream on Facebook and Twitch on Tuesdays, Thursdays and Sundays. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and as always, don't forget to be kind to each other.